Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily invite users to group in Google Groups. Let's begin. So first, before you can reach that section, I want you to go to groups, all right? Then over here, click on my groups. It will then list all of the groups you have joined so far. As long as you're the admin, you should be able to add any members to it, all right? Let's say, for example, this is the group I would like to add members, okay? You can click on this icon right over here, add members. You can simply type their name or just to be accurate, enter their email address or Gmail address, right? You can also include invitation message. Say for example, hey, let's have fun. Let's have fun in this group, right? So and then click on send invites, right? However, if this option is not available to you or it's not popping up or showing up over here, you can click on your groups or click on group settings, go to people, under people, click on members. From here, you will now have an option or a button directly adding members, right? Click on it, add any members, Gmail address, names, invitation message, and then you also have the option to directly add members. But this feature is only useful if those users did actually manage their settings and just let people freely add them up to groups. So send invites, just need to complete this step. I am not a robot. Send invites. And there you go. It is done. You have successfully added or requested one member or multiple members to be added to your group. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.